How can you block out noise when camping near a festival stage? Camping near a festival stage can be a thrilling experience, but it often comes with high noise levels from music and crowds. So, how can you effectively block out that noise? Let's break it down into practical strategies that can help you enjoy your camping experience while keeping the noise at bay. First, consider investing in ear protection. High-quality earplugs designed for festival environments can make a big difference. These earplugs reduce volume without distorting sound, allowing you to enjoy the music while protecting your hearing. They filter sound waves to lower intensity but maintain clarity, making them perfect for blocking loud stage noise while still being aware of important sounds around you. Next, think about creating physical noise barriers around your campsites. Portable acoustic barriers or sound-dampening blankets can be set up to absorb and deflect sound waves coming from the stage. These barriers help reduce noise by trapping sound and preventing it from bouncing into your tent area. While these are often used at event setups, you can use thick blankets, foam panels, or tents with soundproofing features to lessen noise intrusion. Tent placement is also key. Position your tent as far away from the stage as possible and avoid direct sound paths. Use natural features like trees, hills, or other structures to help block or reduce noise. These elements can act as a buffer between your campsites and the stage. Inside your tent, you can further soundproof by hanging heavy curtains or blankets on the walls. This helps absorb sound reflections. Additionally, sealing any gaps or openings in the tent will prevent noise from leaking in. Another effective method is using white noise machines or applications. These devices produce consistent, soothing background noise that can distract you from the festival sounds. They can be a great companion for a peaceful night's sleep. It's also important to respect festival campsites' rules regarding noise monitoring and quiet hours. Many festivals enforce noise limits during specific times to balance the event atmosphere with campers' comfort. Being aware of these rules can help you choose your camping spot and noise-blocking methods wisely. In summary, blocking out noise when camping near a festival stage involves a combination of personal hearing protection, strategic campsites placement, physical sound barriers, and sound masking techniques. By following these tips, you can create a more enjoyable camping experience while still soaking in the festival vibes.